Money isn't the problem. Silence is. And that silence is keeping you broke. When was the last time you had an honest conversation about money? Not a brag, not a complaint. A real conversation about what you earn, what you owe, and what you're struggling with. For most people, the answer is never. Money is the last taboo. We'll talk about relationships, health, even politics. But money? That's off limits. So we struggle in silence, alone, convinced that everyone else has it figured out. You see people with nice cars, nice vacations, nice lives. You assume they're doing better than you, but you have no idea what their bank account looks like, or their credit card debt, or their stress level at 2 a.m. And because you don't talk about it, you keep pretending to, hiding the bills, ignoring the account, acting like everything is fine when it's not. Silence doesn't protect you. It isolates you. It lets shame grow. It keeps you stuck in patterns you could break if you just face them. The first conversation about money isn't with your partner or your parents or your friends. It's with yourself. It starts when you stop avoiding and start looking. When you open the account, check the balance, face the debt. The Finance Reset Toolkit makes that first conversation easier. It lays out your numbers in a simple, clear way. No judgment, no shame. Just the truth you need to move forward. You see what comes in, what goes out, what's left. And suddenly the thing you've been avoiding doesn't seem so scary. That's how you break the silence, not by confessing to the world, by being honest with yourself first. The Finance Reset Toolkit includes a complete budget tracker, debt payoff planner, savings goal tracker, and an interactive web app that simulates your financial future. Stop struggling in silence. Start the conversation. Tap the link in the description to get the Finance Reset Toolkit today. This video is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary.